Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be doing kind of like a spring decluttering kind of video. I have a bunch of unused makeup that I really want to hit pan on, and I really want to just kind of get rid of. I have so much makeup that I don't put to use, so since I will be staying home for a while and I'm going to be giving birth and everything very soon, I decided why not start using my makeup and getting rid of all the stuff that I need to get rid of. And also, with that being said, I will also be doing a decluttering kind of series and getting rid of like old expired makeup or makeup that I don't use. So that video will be coming up very soon. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to be subscribed to me and hit that notification bell button so you are notified every time I make a new video. And I kind of plan to do this like every season. So like every season have like new products to try to hit pan on. So these are kind of the things during springtime that I want to kind of get out of my way, use up, or just literally hit pan on that I haven't hit pan on yet. So I'm super excited to do this video, and yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off from like pretty much my makeup base to my eyes and just kind of go along with how I do my makeup, so that'll just make everything so much easier for me. So let's start off with primers. So I have a few like minis that I really want to just get rid of. I have so many minis, so this video is going to include a lot of mini stuff. But I have so many minis that I just want to get rid of. So this is the Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. So I really want to get rid of this. I'm already almost out of it. So this will be very easy. Like, I can't even get anything into the job print anymore. So this one's almost out. So this is one of the items that I really want to use up. And then I have these two mini ones right here. I don't even know or remember how I got these, but it's just the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and it's just a clear one. This is a silicone based primer. Don't mind my nails, guys, it's a mess. And then this one I actually never tried, but it's been sitting for a while and I want to get rid of it. But this is the Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. Moving on to the next item is this right here. This is my holy grail all-time favorite foundation, but I've had it for some time now and I just want to get rid of it because I have so many other foundations that I need to start using. But this is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation, and it is in the shade W4, if you guys are wondering. Now let's talk about some face makeup, some powders, and all that stuff. The first thing I have here is the NYX Matte Bronzer. It's in the shade Medium. And I've used this quite a lot already, and I don't know when or if I'll ever hit pan. Hopefully I will. But yeah, this is just a really nice bronzer. I really do enjoy this bronzer, so hopefully I can hit pan on this during the springtime. Then we have two blushes here. These blushes are gorgeous. I love these colors and they are very inexpensive. So the first one here is from JennyL.beauty. It's the Love Struck blusher, and it is in the shade 103 Coral Dumpling. And this is what the color looks like in the pan. It's gorgeous. It's just a really nice everyday kind of coral blush, and I really like these kind of colors for my blushes. The other blush I have is the Essence Satin Touch blush. This is in the shade 20 Satin Love, and this blush is, oh my god, I just like broke it and dug my hand in it. Okay. Well, this blush is one of my favorite blushes ever. It's just a really nice neutral blush that goes with any skin tone, and it's not too warm, it's not too cool, not too coral, not too pink, not too anything. It's just a really nice color. I really like this blush. Next up is a palette. Now this is the Aurora Glow Kit. I got this last year for Christmas, not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before that. I got this palette then, and I haven't really touched it. As you can tell, like there's barely anything going on with it. So I really want to start using this. It has some nice versatile colors, like this one and these three right here. You can wear every day. These two are a little intimidating, but I haven't really used this palette, so I really wanted to put some use into it. Another palette I'm trying to hit pan on is the Anastasia Riviera palette. Now this one came out, I believe, last summer, and I used this palette maybe only once or twice, and I really like the colors in here. I love the formula, but it's just one of those palettes where it's like it's got so many vibrant colors in it that I don't really reach for it, but I really need to start using it. So I'm trying to hit pan on this palette. Even if I just hit pan on a few shades, that would make me super happy knowing that I actually put this palette to use. Alright, now we have a whole bunch of minis that I really want to get out of my way. So let's first talk about this. This is the Too Faced 24-Hour Shadow Insurance Primer, and it's just like a little mini one. I just want to use it up because I have so many other eyeshadow primers that I like more than this one. So this is just one of those primers that I need to get out of my collection. And now we have a whole bunch of mini mascaras. So I have a bunch of like full-size mascaras that are still brand new, haven't been touched yet, just because I have so many of these little ones. So I really want to get these all out of my way. So let's just go through them really quick. So I have two of the They're Real Benefit mascaras. I love this mascara. This is one of my favorites. So I know these will go by very quick. Another one of my favorite mascaras is the Too Faced Better Than Sex one. So this one I believe is almost out anyway, so this will be a breeze. Then I have some mascaras here that I haven't really touched. This one is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. The Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. And then this one, it's still packaged and everything. This is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. So it's still packaged, like sealed up and everything. So that shows you guys which mascaras I like. And then we have a mini of the Dior Show Mascara. And the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara as well. Then the last things that I want to get used up is from the Sephora birthday freebie that they gave out. So I chose the Milk Makeup one when they had it. And it comes with, it looks like a primer, a mascara, and this thing. I don't know what this is. So it just has like a mini foil packet of the primer, so that will be really easy to use up. And then another mascara. So this is the Milk Kush Mascara. And then this right here is a lip and cheek thing. It's in the shade Work. And this is what the color looks like. It's really nice. You can use this for lips and cheeks, so very versatile. So I'll put some use into that. So yeah, that is everything that I am planning to hit pan on or get rid of during the springtime. I will keep you guys updated when I do another project pan kind of video. So that would be probably coming up more towards the summertime when I switch out some products. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!